What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So for this week I've got some pretty cool stuff going on for you today. Ooh, almost died. Just about died on that thing. So today I'm working a little bit on my personal Mazda, my daily Mazda. It's just kind of some small little stuff on it. Gonna put some boopy boops in there, put a subwoofer into the back because I've got the Sony Premium in there, but it's still just not quite enough. Wait for this motorcycle. All right, motorcycle gone. But it's kind of lacking, so it needs just a little bit more. So I'll be doing that and giving some little highlights on where I'm doing and what I'm running. So if you don't know, it has, like I said, it's got the premium Bose or Sony, I don't even remember what it is, but the whole integrated thing. So we'll be doing a line out converter on it to pull signal off and put into an amp into the back. Just putting a single Rockford 8, nothing real big, nothing real massive, just to get a little extra sound out of it, not trying to rock the neighborhood. But and while I'm doing that, doing a little bit more of a surprise kind of ignorant type of thing and putting some underglow in there as well, because why not have a little fun with it. So you can look forward to me and Nick struggling through that on this Mazda today. So we will see you in the next little clip.
We're all innies at the moment. Every one of them.
Alright, what up guys? Welcome back. So, I hope you're enjoying that time lapse that we had going on. So, here is the ignorance that is my car, my daily, now with underglow. Right now I got solid green going, so pretty sweet. So, that's the project that we've been working on today. It is only half of the project that I got done. I wanted to get the subs in, but running all the wires and cleaning it all was a lot more difficult than I thought. Lots of plastic aero underneath the Mazda, so not bad. But so next week we will continue on with the rest of the install of getting all the subs and the line out converter all put in there. So we will see you next week. Peace.